Good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here with Midwest Market Solutions. This is Market Insider TV. This is our opening commentary, and it's Friday. It's May the 2nd. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're looking forward to today's trade and maybe the weekend, in fact. Getting a little bit more rain here again this morning in Springfield. Another 2 inches this week, and more rain here coming today. We are back with power, at least, and that was restored the other night. And parts of the city still without power, maybe another day or two before those are all cleaned up. Let's talk about markets here overnight. Stock market is having a big rally here. April payrolls numbers, 170,000 jobs added. Expectations were 138,000, so much better as far as adding jobs than what was expected. Unemployment rate held steady at 4.2%. And so U.S. economy is adding a lot of jobs, seeing a big rally in the stock market as a result. Gold is up this morning. Silver is up a little bit as well as the dollar is weaker here. I could see this dollar starting to strengthen off of this news. That could put some pressure against gold and silver. Our theory's kind of been if stock market begins to rally, gold and to a lesser extent silver will be sold and money will flow back in to the equity markets. Natural gas is a little bit firmer here. Crude oil slightly lower. Corn up 2 1/4 cents overnight. Beans up 3 3/4. New crop is even better than the July contracts for corn and soybeans. 3 3/4 gains December and November up 4 1/4 with meal higher overnight. Wheat's the big benefit. 11 1/2 cents better in Kansas City and Chicago. So some good strength here in our grain markets to start our morning off with. Hope we can sustain that as we go into the weekend. Our website address again, MidwestMarketSolutions.com. Hope you have a chance to check that out. And make sure you follow us on Twitter for latest market information. So news overnight is friendly, as the EU has proposed a $56 billion trade package to the United States. That would ease tensions between the two countries, and that would help out our trade imbalance. This is one of the first countries to talk specifics as far as ending the tariff wars that have started about 100 days ago. China has reportedly come to the U.S. to discuss a new trade agreement with the United States. That is friendly for our grain markets as well, and we're seeing a bump in this off of this news. So deliveries overnight continue to tighten up a little bit. No change in soybeans, 3 there, and 28 corn, but only 11 meal and 165 bean oil. Those numbers are shrinking considerably from previous deliveries. Yesterday, we had Census Crush report out that saw the USDA report. Crush in March, 206.6 million bushels, slightly above market expectations, while reflecting a small increase from last year of 1.5%. That's still a new record for the month. And USDA revised February crush slightly higher to 189.6. We have the full breakdown of stocks and oil share production, as well as corn for ethanol usage in our newsletters. Hope you have a chance to check that out. But this is a friendly report and supportive to soybean meal. Argentina's soybean harvest 25% done versus 34% last year and 49% on average. The corn harvest in Argentina has now reached 31% complete. The average is 30%. So we were way behind as far as our harvest goes early in the growing season. You can see soybean harvest is still way behind last year's pace and the average. That will pick up as they have less rain in the forecast, should allow them to make better progress. Corn harvest is right in line with normal. Cash cattle trade, not much yesterday, but we did see cash trade on Wednesday, much stronger than expected. These employment numbers were friendly for the market here. April payroll numbers, we added that many jobs. That's friendly for the market. That could be seen as friendly for this cattle market. We saw a good rally in June yesterday. Some of the back months a little bit disappointing because of the fears about recession. As recession, 74% chance we'll have one. But with these economic numbers, this is much improved, and I think will be seen as friendly. So we should see a little strength in the cattle market this morning. All right, I'm going to sign off, but have a great day of trade, everyone. Good luck, and as always, we appreciate you listening, watching. If you have any questions, give us a call. This has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets.